Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel Mishti Tassin. Here we come again with the latest design of pearl and stone diamond jewelry. In this video we will share with you the latest design of pearl and stone jewelry articles, especially for upcoming Eid and Diwali. You can present your loved ones these kind of fancy and attractive jewelry, which is very famous in women and girls, especially for those who like and understand about pearl and stone jewelry. It's a very expensive stones like ruby, diamond and excessive pearl. Please must watch the video till end. I hope you really like this. Very unique and beautiful ideas and design. This platform will share with you the latest designs and articles about pearl and diamond jewelry and all kind of jewelry. It's a very expensive and royal type. It's a very beautiful design. You can present these type of jewelry for every occasion. Please must subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.